Greetings of the day, everyone. I am Avni Popania from class 9 and I'm of Kakubhai Parekh School, and I'm here to tell you about the topic Kargil Vijay Divas. And this PPT is prepared by the students of class 9. Introduction. 26 July is celebrated as the Kargil Vijay Divas to honor the lives of the brave soldiers who led their lives on the front lines to rescue a victory against the aggressive enemies. It gave us heroes like Major General Lancatters and Captain Vikram Batra, whose accomplishments will be attached in our collective enemies forever. The war was fought mainly in the uncompromising climate of the upper Himalayas. So Indian troopers march into the enemy territories and deal with the thundering blow. Kargil is one of the highest battlegrounds in the world, lies 200 kilometers from the capital of Kashmir, Srinagar. There's a small history about that. On July 26, is observed as Kargil Vijay Divas in the memories of soldiers who sacrificed their lives in the Kargil War. It took place from May 3 to July 26, 1999, after the Pakistani troops were identified at top of the Kargil hills. As the fight came to an end on July 26, 1999. When Indian troops established victory by recapturing all the Indian posts that had been occupied by the Pakistani infantry. This day commemorates the success of the Operation Vijay, which was launched to take back in the Indian territories captured by the Pakistani invaders in Kargil Darasa sector in 1999. How many soldiers sacrificed their lives in the Kargil War? 527 deaths. The Kargil War, which lasted a little over 2 months and ended on July 26, 1999, led to 527 deaths on the Indian side. Is Vijay Divas and Kargil Vijay Divas different? Vijay Divas is on 16 December is different than the Kargil Vijay Divas, as the latter is observed on July 26. India celebrates its win over the high outpost, which had been lost to Pakistan in Kargil, Jammu. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated to honor the sacrifices of the Kargil war heroes. Why do we celebrate Kargil Vijay Divas? We celebrate Kargil Divas to reclaim the pride and value of the soldiers who took part in the Operation Vijay. The day marks the victory of Indian soldiers recapturing the mountain heights that were occupied by the Pakistani army on July 26, 1999, known as the Kargil War.
हौसलों का तेज तूफान लिए फिरते हैं, आसमान से भी ऊंची हम अपनी उड़ान लिए फिरते हैं। वक्त क्या आजमाएगा हमारे जोश और जुनून को, हम तो हथेली पर अपनी जान लिए फिरते हैं। A warm good morning to the executive director ma'am, principal ma'am, head coordinator ma'am, teachers and all my dear classmates. I am Vrinda Chaube from class 9th, host of this assembly on Kargil Vijay Divas from my educational institution Kakubhai Parekh School. July 26 is observed as Kargil Vijay Divas in the memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their life in Kargil War. It took place from May 3 to July 26, 1999, after the Pakistani troops were identified at the top of the Kargil hills. As the fight came to the end on July 26, 1999, when Indian troops established victory by recapturing all the Indian posts that had been occupied by Pakistani infiltrators. This day commemorates the success of the Operation Vijay, which was launched to take back Indian territories captured by the Pakistani intruders in the Kargil Ras sector in 1999. Through the course of our today's journey, we shall hear more information about this from our fellow students of class 9, whom I will call one by one. So, calling first Aman with his visibility on Kargil Vijay Divas.
Greetings of the day, everyone. I am Aman Prajapati from class 9 from Kakubhai Parikh School. Today I am here to tell you something about Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is on 26th of July. On this day in 1999, India was successfully took command of the high post. The Kargil war was fought for more than 60 days and ended on 26 July 1999 when the Pakistan army took advantage of the melting snow, bitterly understanding of both the nation that the post will remain unattended during the winter season, took command of the high post of the India. The Pakistan army denied involvement in the war, claiming that it was caused by independent Kashmir rebel force. However, document left behind by Constituent and later statement by Pakistan's Prime Minister and Chief of Army Staff showed involvement of Pakistani parliamentary force led by General Asif Rashid. The Kargil war was resulted in loss of life on both of the sides and was ended when the Indian regained control over the post and ejected the Pakistan army out of the territory. Thank you and have a nice day to all.
Aman for your guidance. Now coming over, I would like to call a beautiful and lovely girl Shabi, my classmate, to present her views on Kargil Vijay Divas.
Greeting of the day, my name is Chaviki Shavani from Kakubhai Parikh School. I am here to tell you about Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is a memorial victory of the Kargil War in India. It is celebrated on 26th of July every year. It was the day in 1999 when India had won the Kargil War against Pakistan. The Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated in all over the part of our India. The Prime Minister of India visited to the Amar Jawan Jyotis in New Delhi and pays homage to soldiers, and there they organize some cultural and social functions in schools and education institutions. The whole of India pays tribute to our soldiers and their sacrifices. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very agreeable, dear Ami. Now I would like to present some attractive and having great creativity posters made by dear friends. They are Shailesh, Pahal, Ravina and Chirag. I would like to share a poem with you all. करो याद तुम उन वीरों को जिनकी सरहद पर जान गई, करो याद उन बालाओं को जिनकी इस रण में आन गई, करो याद उन माताओं को जिनने अपने सिसत खोए, करो याद उन बहनों को जो रक्षा बंधन पर श्री लहू बहाकर सीमाओं पर अमन चैन का फूल खिलाया, अपने प्राणों की बलि देकर भारत माँ का मान बढ़ाया, सरहद पर मर मिटने वाले अजर अमर सब हो जाएंगे, मर कर भी इन वीरों का हम कर्ज कैसे चुका पाएंगे. Taking adieu from you all, I would like to see few lines written by Captain Vikram Batra. They are: either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor, or I will come back wrapped in it, but I will be back for sure. Goodbye and have a nice day to you all.